Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious everything bagels at home. First, we'll activate our yeast by combining 1 1/4 cups of warm water with 1 teaspoon of sugar and 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast. Let it sit for about 5 minutes until foamy. Then, mix in 4 cups of bread flour, 1 1/2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 tablespoons of malt syrup. Knead the dough for 10 minutes until it is smooth and elastic, ready for its first rise. Once your dough has risen, it's time to shape those perfect bagels. Divide the dough into 8 equal pieces, each weighing approximately 4 ounces. Roll each piece into a smooth ball, then use your thumb to poke a hole directly through the center. Gently stretch the hole to create a classic bagel shape, about 1 inch wide. For the best chewy texture, proof your shaped bagels in the refrigerator overnight, allowing them to develop their full flavor. Now for the crucial boiling step that gives bagels their signature chew. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Bring a large pot of water to a simmer, adding 2 tablespoons of malt syrup. Boil each bagel for 1 minute per side. Immediately after boiling, drain the bagels and generously dip both sides into your everything bagel seasoning. Make sure each bagel is thoroughly coated for maximum flavor and texture. Finally, it's time to bake your beautiful bagels to perfection. Arrange the seasoned bagels on a parchment-lined baking sheet, ensuring they have enough space. Bake them in your preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes, or until they are a lovely golden brown and feel firm to the touch. Once baked, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Then, slice them open. Add your favorite cream cheese or spread, and savor your incredible homemade everything bagels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.